Mangroves are salt-tolerant trees and shrubs that grow in intertidal regions of tropical and subtropical coastlines. They survive in environments with limited oxygen and thrive in hot, muddy, salty conditions. The global mangrove cover is 150,000 square kilometers, with South Asia having the largest number, with India contributing 45.8%. The Sundarbans in West Bengal are the largest mangrove forest regions in the world, listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Mangrove Alliance for Climate (MAC) was announced at the COP27 Climate Summit in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, by the UAE, Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, Australia, Japan, and Spain. The Mangrove Alliance for Climate (MAC) aims to educate and spread awareness on the role of mangroves in curbing global warming and its potential as a solution for climate change. The alliance operates on a voluntary basis, with members deciding their own commitments and deadlines for planting and restoring mangroves. They also share expertise and support each other in researching, managing, and protecting coastal areas.